Hey there YouTube, Chris KI4RDG here, and just showing you a little project I put together here. I picked up this little HTX, little Radio Shack HTX 252 2-meter mobile at a local ham fest for 10 bucks actually. It's 10 bucks. And works fine. I need to do a little electrical tape repair on the cord here, but other than that it works fine. So I got to thinking, I had this little battery sitting around here, this little Duracell 12 volt 14 amp hour deep cycle, and the radio just happened to fit on top of it perfectly. So I went and got me some double stick adhesive pads and attached those there, and got me a adhesive microphone holder, and got it wired up there. And the antenna here is I think it's about a half wave telescoping 2-meter antenna. I've had that antenna for about 10 years, and it actually works really well. And I used a lightning arrestor thing here and put a 3-foot length of wire as a counterpoise. The radio only does 25 watts max, but I've got it set to 10 watts low power, so RFI shouldn't be, or RF exposure shouldn't be too much of an issue. Actually, RFI isn't too much of an issue either. I did some testing with this and actually had it sitting right in front of my computer monitor, and it really didn't interfere with anything much at all. I put power poles on the back here so that the radio could be easily disconnected if you wanted to remove it from the battery. And you see up underneath there's the fuse holder, and I got electrical tape on the battery connections so you don't accidentally short them, but the ends are exposed so you can hook up a small charger to recharge the battery and top it off. And that's basically all there is to it there. It's a nice little portable setup, doesn't weigh much, and I can actually hit most of the local repeaters right from down here in the basement, so be a nice little backup thing to have, if my main station goes down. So I just wanted to show that to y'all, and maybe inspire some people who are looking to build their own little portable stations. Alright, well, y'all have a good day, 73, and catch you on the air. KI4RDG, clear.